Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Roblox error code E01. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So before applying more complicated solutions, here are the few quick possible fixes. So first, check if the servers are working fine by visiting the Roblox status page, and you can also check if the servers are fine. So check your internet connection and make sure it is stable, and it's a good idea to reset your router and see if that solves the problem. Then just make sure also that Roblox is up to date, and also install any Windows pending updates, and this just disable your antivirus temporarily and see if Roblox is running smoothly. And if you're playing the game on a browser, delete its cache and cookies, or try another browser. And then if you've already done all these simple solutions right here and the fix or the problem is still persisting, what you can do is to do this more complicated possible solutions. So first is clear the Roblox cache. So to do this, just press the Window plus R key combination to run the console, and then type or paste the following line and press enter. So percent local up percent or percent local up data percent slash Roblox slash log. So this will open the cache location of Roblox, and then just press Control plus A to select all files, and then press the delete button. And then just make sure that you are not logged in onto the multiple devices, because that can also trigger these connections. So next, what you can do is to update the graphics card driver. So to do this, right click onto the start button and select drive manager or device manager from the list, and expand the display adapters section, and right click onto the driver and select update driver. And after that, choose the search automatically for drivers. If the system finds a new one, just install it. So the Roblox E01 error might be caused by the corrupted or outdated driver, so updating it can fix the issue right away. And next, what you can do is to install Roblox. So to do this, right click on to or click the start button and select settings, and choose apps from the left and select apps and features. So from the right pane, and look for the Roblox in the list of the apps, and click the three dots button from the right and select uninstall. After the process is finished, go to the Roblox website and download the latest version of the game and reinstall it or reinstall a fresh copy. And so that's it for this video. Remember, you can always pause this video, go back to the video, and follow the steps at your own time. And I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell buttons. You won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.